Hello everyone, welcome back to my 30 days series Spoken English for Beginners, Day 2 Part B. If you're new at my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment as well as subscribe. So, in today's video, we're gonna talk about character traits. Character traits क्या होता है? Character means किरदार and trait means सिफात, characteristics or qualities. So, I already discussed positive character traits in my previous video. If you haven't watched that video, go and check it out. So, in positive character traits, compassionate, empathetic, honest, trustworthy, optimistic. In that video, I have told you about the meanings of these words as well as there was a conversation practice in the end of the video. So today we're going to talk about negative character traits. क्योंकि आपकी जो सिफात होती हैं कुछ लोगों की पॉजिटिव होती हैं कुछ लोगों की नेगेटिव होती हैं एंड देयर आर सम पीपल हु आर न्यूट्रल इन ऑल द सिचुएशंस सो आप लोगों ने मुझे बताना इन द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो दैट व्हिच कैरेक्टर ट्रेट यू आर हैविंग एंड व्हिच यू एक्सपेक्ट फॉर अदर पीपल. So negative character traits includes arrogant. Arrogant का मतलब होता है घमंडी. Like someone who talks or who thinks they are better than everyone else. They are called as arrogant. Selfish, which means khudgars. A person who only thinks about themselves, not others. And the next one is dishonest, which means beiman or jhuta. Someone who lies, cheats, okay. And the next one is stubborn. You must have heard about this word. Stubborn hota hai ziddi, the person who refuses to change their mind even when they are wrong. So the next word is pessimistic, मायूस सोच रखने वाला. Like जिसे हमेशा यही लगता रहता है कि कुछ गलत होने वाला है. The person who always expects bad things to happen. Irresponsible is also a negative trait. Irresponsible means गैर जिम्मेदार. Someone who doesn't take responsibility and doesn't do their duties properly is named as irresponsible, and there are many irresponsible professional people, like they are not responsible but they are in some profession. That's not a good trait. So let's move toward the lazy, a person who avoids work and does not want to put in effort. अगर हम देखें आजकल के दौर में there are many people who prefer to be lazy than to do work. So impulsive, it's also a negative trait, which means जल्दबाजी करने वाला. जल्दबाजी करने वाले को हम बोलते हैं impulsive, which means someone who acts suddenly without thinking about consequences. कि वो फौरन रिएक्ट कर देते हैं और कहते हैं ओके मुझे ये करना है, दैट्स इट. तो ये होता है जल्दबाजी वाला, और जल्दबाजी का डिसीजन अक्सर गलत साबित होता है. लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट वन, ग्रीडी, लालची. Someone who wants more and more money, food or things. तो ग्रीडी हम लोग इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी भी हो सकते हैं, फूड भी हो सकते हैं, इन टर्म्स ऑफ थिंग्स भी हो सकते हैं. लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड एनवियस, व्हिच मींस हसद करने वाला. अ पर्सन हु फील्स बैड व्हेन अदर्स सक्सीड और हैव समथिंग दे डोंट. वो इंसान जो कि किसी को खुश नहीं देख सकता, वो इंसान जो किसी को सक्सेसफुल नहीं देख सकता, इज नेम्ड एज एनवियस. लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड इंटॉलरेंट, व्हिच मींस अदम बर्दाश्त करने वाला. लाइक समवन हु डज नॉट एक्सेप्ट अदर पीपल्स ओपिनियंस और डिफरेंसेस. मतलब जो नहीं सुनना चाहता, अगर कोई और ओपिनियन अपनी दे रहा है, अपनी और राय दे रहा है, तो वो नहीं सुनना चाहता. दैट्स कॉल्ड एज इंटॉलरेंट. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज विंडिक्टिव, which means बदला लेने वाला. A person who wants revenge and doesn't forgive easily. कि जो इंसान हर बात पर बदला लेने पर आ जाता है. Like who has no patience, who has not the power of forgiveness, who don't forgive. Next is moody, like moody, मिजाज बदलने वाला. Someone whose mood changes suddenly and unpredictably. Second is manipulative, a person who tricks or controls others for their own benefit. मतलब जिस इंसान को सिर्फ हुक्म चलाना पसंद है, चालाकी से दूसरों को इस्तेमाल करने वाले इंसान को बोलते हैं मैनिपुलेटिव. द लास्ट नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर ट्रेट इज condescending, which means घटिया समझकर बात करना, लाइक तकब्बुर से बात करना. स्पीकिंग टू समवन इन अ वे दैट मेक्स देम फील लेस इंपॉर्टेंट, कि अगला इंसान कमतर है आपसे. दैट trait is known as condescending. Let's move toward the next one, like name as many characters as you can for each negative trait. You have to tell me that those characters which you think in like around you, कि आपके फैमिली में या फ्रेंड्स में या इन एनी रिलेशनशिप आप उसको कौन सा नेगेटिव करेक्टर ट्रेट नेम करना चाहेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देर आर सम पीपल who are manipulative. You can say that my friend is so manipulative, or my friend is also, my cousin is jealous, sarcastic. So you have to name those characters in the comment below. So let's move toward neutral characters. अब कुछ लोग वो होते हैं जिनका character neutral होता है, like not positive, not negative. They are neutral. So neutral character traits includes reserved. Reserved का मतलब होता है कम बोलने वाला. जो इंसान कम बोलता है या संजीदा मिजाज, उसको बोलते हैं reserved personality. So reserved means quiet, doesn't share feelings easily, keeps to themselves. Next one is observant. Observant का मतलब होता है गौर करने वाला, जो बारीकी से चीजों को देखता है. Notices small details, pays close attention. Observant. The next neutral character trait is analytical. Analytical का मतलब है सोच समझ कर फैसला करने वाला. Analytical means like good at examining information, solving problems logically. Like जो इंसान logical होकर चीजों का solution निकालता है is called as analytical. Next word is independent. खुद मुख्तार, अपने काम खुद करने वाला. That's also a negative, a neutral character trait, which means able to do things without needing help from others. Next is practical, like amli soch rakhne wala, hakikat pasand. That person is named as practical, which means focuses on realistic solutions, deals with problems sensibly. Ambitious, someone who strongly wants to achieve goals or success. पुरज़म या कामयाबी का ख्वाहिशमंद इंसान को हम बोलते हैं ambitious. Are you ambitious? Can you tell me about what also? Creative. Creative means नए ख्यालात रखने वाला, like good at thinking of new ideas, imaginative. Like for example, जैसे कुछ poet होते हैं, they are so imaginative, like they create their own poetry, so they are called as neutral character trait. Next one is creative. And then logical means अक्लो दलील से सोचने वाला, थिंक्स क्लियरली एंड सेंसिबली, वी ऑलरेडी टॉक अबाउट इट. क्यूरियस, तजस्सुस रखने वाला, जानने का शौकीन, मतलब क्यूरियोसिटी होता है कि आपको जानने का शौक होता है. ओके फिर क्या हुआ नेक्स्ट, मतलब यू आस्क मैनी क्वेश्चंस, इट मीन्स यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटीज, वांट्स टू लर्न, एक्सप्लोर और नो मोर अबाउट थिंग्स. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज कॉन्फिडेंट, which means पुरएतमाद और खुद एतमादी रखने वाला, like believes in themselves, not afraid to speak or act. जो इंसान कुछ भी बोलने से डरता नहीं है, हिचकिचाता नहीं है, कि अगर कोई बात सही है और वो बोल देता है, it means that person is confident enough to speak aloud. Next is humorous, मजाया या हंसाने वाला. That is like funny, make others laugh, has a good sense of humor, is known as humorous. Cautious, which means सोच समझ कर कदम उठाने वाला. Careful, avoid risks and thinks before acting. वो इंसान जो कुछ भी करने से पहले सोचता है. That's known as cautious. Next neutral trait is spontaneous, which means फौरी अमल करने वाला, like foreign action लेने वाला, act suddenly without planning, fun and unpredictable. Open minded, we have heard about this word a lot, like ये इंसान open minded है, but have you thought that what's the real meaning of it? इसका मतलब है कुशादा जहन और दूसरों के ख्यालात कबूल करने वाला. ऐसे इंसान को हम लोग open minded बोलते हैं, which means like accepts new ideas, opinions and differences. Next is assertive, it means पुरएतमाद अंदाज में अपना हक जिताने वाला, like speaks up politely but firmly, stands up for their rights, जो अपने right के लिए बोलना जानता है but politely, that named as assertive. Okay, let's move toward which of these neutral traits speaks to your personality. आपको मुझे बताना है इन सब neutral traits में से कौन सा neutral trait है जो कि आपकी personality को show करता है. Are you logical, humorous, open-minded, assertive, creative? If I talk about my personality, then I am observant, ambitious, humorous, curious, as well as confident. Now it's your turn to tell me in the comments below. Now let's move toward identify and discuss the character traits you observe in these images. आपको बताना है कि इन images में आपको कौन सा character trait show हो रहा है. Like first image किस character trait को show करी है, second किसको character trait को show करी है, and also the last one. Let's move toward the next one, which is you have to match character traits with their definition. Like ambitious, आपको उस डेफिनेशन के साथ मैच करना है जो कि आपको लगता है कि करेक्ट है. यू हैव टू पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड यू हैव टू मैच these character traits. Next is, let's move toward conversation practice, which is the main part of our today's video. That what you have learned, we're gonna practice it in our conversation. So in the conversation, there are two characters, Aisha and Sarah, and they are making conversation with each other about negative as well as neutral traits. So the first, Aisha says, Sarah, help, I have to write about character traits, my brain is on vacation. ये सारा, क्या तुम मेरी हेल्प कर सकती हो, बिकॉज मुझे करेक्टर ट्रेड्स पर असाइनमेंट लिखनी है, बट मेरा दिमाग इस टाइम वेकेशन पर है, लाइक इट्स ऑन हॉलीडे. सारा अगेन, योर ब्रेन टेक्स मोर हॉलीडेज देन यू डू. कि आपका जो दिमाग है आपके भी हॉलीडेज से ज्यादा हॉलीडेज लेता है, लाइक इट्स टू लेजी. आयशा, एग्जैक्टली, सी दैट्स अ नेगेटिव ट्रेट, लेजी ब्रेन. कि lazy brain होना is a very negative trait. Aisha is saying, Sarah, lazy is a neutral. That's very negative. Like my cat, she sleeps 23 hours a day. कि लेजी होना इज वेरी नेगेटिव ट्रेड, बिकॉज जैसे कि मेरी कैट के 23 घंटे वो सोती रहती है. नेक्स्ट वन इज आयशा, लकी कैट. और आजकल के दौर में तो हर कोई कहता है बस सोने को मिल जाए लेकिन कुछ करने को ना मिले. सो लकी कैट, एनी वे, गिव मी अनदर नेगेटिव ट्रेड. अब वो कह रही है कि एक तो अब हमें मिल गया नेगेटिव ट्रेड, लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट वन. सारा, stubborn. Stubborn is also a negative trait. If you remember, I told you stubborn, like जिद्दी इंसान, like my little brother. और हमेशा बहन भाइयों को एक दूसरे से ये शिकायत रहती है. All the siblings used to say that my sibling is stubborn, like जिद्दी. He refused to eat vegetables so long that even the vegetables gave up. कि वो इतना स्टर्बन है that my mother used to say him again and again that eat vegetables, but अब vegetables ने भी give up कर दिया है in front of my little brother. Aisha, that's talent, I want that skill. ये एक बहुत बड़ा talent है, मुझे भी ये skill चाहिए. Sarah, no you don't. Now neutral trait could be quiet. So now you have to apply the neutral trait, that you should be quiet, patient, not good, not bad, just silent like a Wi-Fi router when it stops working. Okay? Aisha, that silence is scary. What about curious? Curious. So Sarah is saying yes, curious is neutral. What do you think, that curious is neutral? कि आपको curiosity होती है. What's gonna happen next? Is that a neutral trait or not? So curious is a neutral trait, like me opening the fridge every 5 minutes, hoping food magically appeared. That's a good one. कि क्या पता magically खाना आ जाए फ्रिज में. So that's a curiosity to know. Aisha, same, and somehow nothing changes except my disappointment, obviously. Sarah, congratulations, that's another trait. Hopeful but foolish. Aisha, perfect. I will add it to my list before my brain takes another day off. Sarah, good idea. And tell your brain no more vacations during homework. So you have to practice this with your friend. Understanding character traits is very important. So इसमें literature क्या होता है? Literature is like a anything written that teaches, entertains or makes you think can be called as literature. कि कोई भी चीज़ जो लिखी होती है और जो आपको इस चीज़ के लिए राजी करती है that you have to think is named as literature. For example, novels, poems, plays or stories. And storytelling is also like understanding the character traits as they contribute to the development of well-rounded and relatable characters. So let's move toward think about how you can incorporate character traits into your storytelling toolkit. You have to write a story of your own where you have to mention all these character traits and you have to mention which one suits the best or आप में कौन सा like करता है and which you want to remove from the society and which you want to implement. Give it a try. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye. And don't forget to like, share and comment below.